Hey everybody, so today I have the Shark stick vacuum. I have reviewed a few stick vacuums. Now this one is corded though. The other ones that I've done are rechargeable and they don't have nearly as much power. This one really does have some power. I'll show you here in just a moment. Another thing that it has are these little odor neutralizers, and you can replace these. They smell really good. They're almost like using like a Febreze or something like that. And you can dial it to either do more or less. So this one does have a roller, and this one is supposed to be really good when it comes to pet hair. You also do get your attachments. So you get a couple different upholstery attachments. You also get this attachment, which is also great. You can use this in your car. You can get in there really easy. Also, this is made for hard floor and also carpet. There is a little switch on here where you can switch it for either mode. All right, so up here at the top, there is a filter. You just pull this off and you'll be able to access the filter and clean it out. Now to take off your container when you're ready to empty it, you're just gonna press these little buttons on the side and pull it right out. There's also a little filter in here as well. And you will also be able to clean that. Then of course, this one does have the cord. Now what I'll do, I haven't vacuumed in a couple days, so I'll go ahead and do an area here and then I'll show it to you on hard floor as well. So number 1 is bare floor, number 2 is gonna be carpet. As you can see, there is a little LED light. Okay, so we just did this one little area here. In that little area, we do got some loose fibers. I do see some little like crumbs. I see some glitter. My kids dumped this glitter thing around the house. It's been a pain getting it all up. And like I mentioned, it works great for hard floors as well. Now another thing, if it becomes clogged, it will turn a red light on. So like if I was to bring it over to the rug and I was to do the rug, it turns a red light where you get that, that little headlight on there. At least when it comes to the rugs, it's not the best option. But anyway, if you are looking for a pretty good stick vacuum, this Shark one has been the best one that I have used. Plus you also do have the attachments that I didn't show that you can use on upholstery or in your car.